This is a wide subject area, and so needs some thought about your own particular approach to new ERP solutions. This vertical could include food growers, but also white goods manufacturers or furniture makers, and it's not possible to say that every one of these sectors has exactly the same business problems. So in thinking about this section, don't exclude the messages from other modules in the programme, as there may well be key messages for your own specific solution area that may not be listed here. Well, the consumer market is dominated by price and margin pressures, ever-changing consumer preferences, and an increasing range of regulatory requirements. This puts a huge strain on many areas of business operations, such as tracking customers, products, safety recalls, and much more. The key pain areas are shown in the slide. But let's have a look at the three most significant points here. Manufacturing inefficiencies, rapidly changing customer requirements, and tracking customer complaints, plus the regulatory requirements associated with product recalls. With new ERP solutions, the pain associated with these areas can be minimised in the majority of cases. Optimise planning and manufacturing. If you can better understand the production process and change this quickly and effectively to meet new market demands for products and services, then this is a good thing. Flexibility in the core process is key. Meeting customer expectations. Manage customer order requirements and provide information and control over deliveries, replacement products, spares and end-of-life product lines. All good things. Returns and complaints. Product returns or recalls can cause major financial headaches, with costs potentially spiralling out of control. There needs to be clear processes for returns, new handbooks, labelling, packaging, refunds, quality checks and the like, and ultimately the reintroduction of the product back into the supply chain. All these things are crying out for ERP systems that deliver this capability. So, let's have a look at the economic potential here. Well, firstly, markdown reductions. Overall profitability is impacted by how much inventory has to be marked down because it is out of date, last year's season, or just damaged. A business that has, for example, a turnover of 20 million euros per annum, of which 10% is from marked down stock, would generate an extra 5,000 euros per month in revenue if the level of markdowns could be reduced to 8%. Secondly, reduce track and trace costs. Regulation and good business practice requirements also creeps into the logistics side of the operation. For a 20 million euro business, this is likely to save in the order of 20,000 euros per annum. Improving customer retention. Satisfying customers' expectations for managing orders, rebates and bonus agreements not only has a cost in terms of people and time, but also can improve customer satisfaction and therefore retention rates. In the case of a 20 million euro business, a 1% improvement in retention at 20% margin would be worth over 5,000 euros per month. So taking these three key benefits and using an interest cost of 5% per annum and looking at the benefits over 3 years, these generate over 390,000 euros of value to support the investment in new ERP solutions. As an example of how powerful ERP can be, I recently visited a farm that grows potatoes and bags these for major supermarket chains. Well, it's a very simple business really, but most of the administration and the ERP systems were very old. In setting out to the farm with the ERP partner, I had concerns about where these hard economic benefits could come from. And when we got there, we started by identifying with the customer the usual benefits of labour saving and software savings. But we needed a really big financial argument to tip the business case into an overall positive. One feature of the partner-modified ERP solution allowed better weighing and accuracy of bagging. We asked, what's the current average packed weight of your 3 kilogram bags at the moment? 3.18 kilos, the farmer replied. Any less, and I'll risk not meeting the 3 kilogram minimum supplied level in each bag. So the partner then said, well, with the pre-weighing, then this average will improve and better weight and packing combinations will be identified, down to 3.08 kilograms average. On a €10 million business, this is actually worth nearly €325,000 per annum in savings in produce that was previously being oversupplied. And to finish, here's a summary of the most common benefits encountered by users of ERP solutions in the consumer products vertical.